Yulio's folder permissions allow you to set up project folders to match your workflow. You can create folders, for example, by user, project, client name, or type of project. You can set permissions to individual folders to protect your work from accidental edits or deletions and better satisfy your client's NDA or privacy requirements. On the projects page, you'll see a list of folders on the left. The shared folder that every user on your account with a Yulio seat has access to is called Team. The solid black folders are private folders to you or anyone you have given access to. If you are not worried about folder permissions, simply keep everything under the Team folder. To create a new folder, hit the Create New Folder button. Simply drag folders to move them from shared to private. Once you've created a new private folder, admin users can set folder permissions by picking from a drop-down list of Yulio users and assigning a permission level. They can also provide access to all users. To assign user permissions, click on the folder you would like to edit and then click on the three dots next to the folder name. Select Permission. Here you can manage folder access by adding individual users, adding all users, and removing users.